It's giving me that goddess like.
What, my face?
Yeah.
It's cute.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, That Chocolate Vegan, with me, Erin Wells, and you read that title correctly. Today we're making vegan Hot Pockets. Let's get started. All right, to start off guys, I have some pizza crust from Pillsbury. This don't never work the first time.
Ooh. Okay, thank you.
All right, we got her opened. Pillsbury, why is this square? How am I supposed to make this great? Now we're gonna take out our brand new pizza roller because I didn't own one. Ooh, oh, yes. And we're gonna cut this, let's see. I think we get 6 good pieces out of this. Let me think. One,
Oh, that's clean.
I'm sorry, I shouldn't be that excited, but I am. So you see I have a lot of ingredients here. So let's start off with the classic ham and cheese Hot Pocket. Not sure how you pronounce this brand, Yves, whatever. I got this from Whole Foods. So we're gonna put maybe 2 pieces of ham right there. Okay, stay. This is just some steamable broccoli, y'all, nothing special. Just a little one you can get in the frozen aisle. Just steam this thing. Wait, it's supposed to be ham and cheese, not ham, broccoli, and cheese. Okay, this is ham, broccoli, and cheese. Let's get some diet on top. Y'all, I think I just combined 2 different recipes just that quick. I was thinking about broccoli and cheese, and then there's ham and cheese. So this is gonna be ham, broccoli, and cheese. All right, we're gonna take this, fold it. This seemed like extra. I'm gonna take this off. I don't know if I needed it. Oh. Okay, I already messed up. This one is our, this is our mess up. That looks nothing like a Hot Pocket. Maybe we flip it like that. I watched videos on how people did this too and still messed up. Okay, let's make this one an actual ham and cheese. Let's do pizza with this one. These are on sale. I usually just get marinara sauce. Erin, let's do some pizza sauce or marinara. I just sauteed some veggies. This is red pepper, spinach, onion, and garlic. And Daya mozzarella, cutting board series, of course. Put that right there. Okay, fold over. Press. By the way guys, I tried Violite too. I'm not as impressed. It tastes like a mild cheddar. I just put it on the counter, so I thought I would just say that. I'm not a fan. Yeah. Alright guys, so I'm all done with my first set of Hot Pockets. They all look bad, but we're gonna brush them with butter and sprinkle them with parsley because that makes things look better. All right, so I'm gonna put a little butter on the top of all of these. My oven is preheated on 350, by the way, guys. That look better already. Oh, that looks so much better. I'm gonna transfer these to a parchment lined paper to bake for 15 minutes. Okay, so why are Hot Pockets bake? A lot of you guys have been asking me about my t-shirt. The t-shirt I have on right now can be found at Etsy.com. I'll put the link in the description box and possibly on the screen as well. I have 2 places you can get it. So you can get this kind from Etsy. It has the metallic chocolate going on with the metallic cocoa seed, but I also have them on teespring.com as well. And you'll get this design. It does not have metallic, but it has way more detailed leaf and cocoa seed here. And the reason that is because my shirt lady here makes them here in Atlanta, so I'm selling those on Etsy. This is from Teespring, where they produce the shirt, they do the design, and they just did a little bit more detail that she couldn't quite do in these shirts. But anyway, that's that. I just got that question a lot, so I just wanted to answer that. All right, I'm ready to eat. Hey guys, so you see I also tried this with crescent rolls. I didn't really like the taste as much, probably because they were on sale and 90 calories. But as you can see from my sped up video, you need 3 crescent rolls to get a decent size Hot Pocket. But besides that, same method. All right, guys, it's actually been 20 minutes and I just took our Hot Pockets out of the stove. All right, this one actually doesn't look that bad, but I'm so curious as to see. Okay, this one does look bad. Well, I want to see how the inside looks. I might leave that for the thumbnail. I'm not gonna cut that one yet. Let's cut this one in half. Oh, it's hot, duh. It actually looks like a little ham and cheese inside. All right. Pizza. That doesn't look, close your mouth. That smells legit. That smells legit. Okay. Y'all already know. This is good and so simple to make. Like, this is a quick little, next time I have a party, especially with meat eaters, please. I'm making this. I'm making this. All right, now I'm gonna try the pizza one.
Why did I just do that?
Beyond the heat, really good. Even though I'm not a big fan of pizza sauce, I like it. Like now I taste the difference. Not saying spaghetti, I'm talking too much. My point is I don't mind it. I don't mind it in this recipe. The crescent roll versions are still in the oven as they went in after the pizza ones. So we'll taste those when the taste testers get here because I'm about full. I don't know. Y'all seen these people for we'll put their Instagram on the screen. They know us already. Fine, whatever. All right, so let's try the crescent roll versions of the hot pot. Those two pieces right there.
Okay.
Yeah.
So this look like cheddar broccoli.
She knew. She knew.
That's good though. That's real good.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, I like this.
Mm-hmm.
And see, I had the pizza rolls. They ain't had that yet. I like it on pizza better than the crescent. To be just me. But these are good though.
They got a big old bell pepper in yours.
You jealous?
A little bit.
We just eating. We ain't saying nothing. Just eating.
I mean, that's
It's
how you know
good.
it's good though.
Yeah. It's
You
good.
don't talk.
I like ham and cheddar the best. Maybe because that's the actual hot pocket one I used to eat back in the day. Ew.
I thought up the pepperoni.
These are all
ones.
good.
Yeah.
What you use for ham?
The same brand make pepperoni.
For real?
The same brand to make the vegan pepperoni, which I didn't find at Sprouts because I didn't go. I went to Whole Foods and
That's why I
Publix. I forgot about Sprouts. Ain't it bomb?
Yeah.
It's really good. Really good.
I think he got more ham than me.
Probably. Oh well.
I think this one just broccoli and cheese. All right, this turned to a whole mukbang, y'all. We ain't even talking to y'all no more. We just pretty much chewing at this point.
Oh well.
This is good though.
Yes.
I like the crescent, but I'm a big fan of the
The
pizza.
pizza.
Yeah, same. So, and know the crescent part unless you just want to make rolls, but it tastes more like a hot pocket in the pizza crust. But all right, we're gonna just keep being skinny fat, and we'll see y'all next time. Bye. Totally forgot to record my outro, guys. I'm so sorry. You already know. As always, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe down below, and I'll see you next time. Peace.